Hey everybody, here's another episode of what not to do to your HVAC system. Okay, so what's going on here? We have a multiple of filters here. We've got an old one, an old one, and an old one here. And we got a new one right here. So why are there so many filters on this one furnace? Well, that's a good question, because as I inspected the unit, I kept finding more and more and more. I found 1, 2, 3. First one I found was inside the grill right here. This one was inside here. And it was clean, so I'm like, okay, great. So then I noticed we got a Space Guard high efficiency air cleaner here, so I'm thinking that this is gonna be empty in here. And nope, we had this old dirty one in here. So this one here is just absolutely filthy. Who knows the last time that was changed? But that was in place right here. So that's 2. And then I looked up with my flashlight and I could see this one. So we had 3 filters in this one unit. Totally unnecessary. Check your system. If you just bought a house and you see 1 filter, that's great, but check the rest. Pull these covers off when you see this kind of cover. Make sure the unit's turned off first. And then pull these covers. If you see something like this, a big box below your furnace, that's a good indication you might have another filter here. And then you got this area, so you got to pull your inspection covers off and then check inside here. So this is something I haven't seen in a while, so I want to share this little video with everybody. Air filter 101. In most cases, you only need 1 filter. So 1 filter per system unless you have multiple air returns. That's it. Please subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.